If you want to change the message tone on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, then we have two things that we can do. The first thing that we can do is we can open settings and go to sounds and vibration. And then once you open these settings, you can find notification sound. And here you can change the notification sound, which also changes the message tone. So generally speaking, if you receive a new message, then the notification sound is being played. However, if you want to change the sound just for new messages and only for that without changing the notification sound, then in that case we can go back to settings, and this time we're gonna go to notifications. Then over here in notifications, first we need to go to advanced settings and we need to enable manage notification categories for each app. Let's go back to notifications, and here we're gonna go to app notifications. Now here we need to find the messages app. Let's select it. And then we can go to notification categories. Here we can find incoming messages. We want to tap on that, and then you can choose the sound option, and then finally you can choose the specific sound that should be played when you receive a new message. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.